Already, quick breakdown on gold. Kind of my thoughts going into either tonight's London session or Wednesday's NY session. So, same idea, kind of same level. We're going to be really focusing on is really how price reacts to this zone. Right? Are we going to kind of come back up, retest it, and continue back down bearish? The other thing to add to the bullish confluence is we did have this downward move today, a little bit lower volume. Got stopped out on these break and retest longs. Volume wasn't there to kind of drive price back up to our target. Again, small loss. But so we have this pullback down here to the downside that didn't really fully play out all the way down here, right? You kind of draw your fib on the hourly, and we have that confluence of that 618 kind of play right here. Pull up, create that high right here, come back down, retest that 618 for that overall continuation up. So again, we're not really messing with this thing. We're going to do the same thing as we did going into today's session. See how price reacts to this overall zone, right? Are we going to break above, use that as support, and then continue up to catch that overall move we were anticipating catching today? Or is price going to kind of come back down, show we're not going to break above, and then fully print this move we could have seen today end up being printed going into tomorrow's session? So again, focusing on this overall level we focused on today, which is that 1789 area on gold's chart. Again, we go to the 4-hour chart, dig back a little bit, and you can even see, change the color of this just so it's super easy to see. You can even see that this is a strong level in the market, right? Price has a high probability once we do break above for that overall continuation out of this range. Again, really kind of printing off this move right here, anticipating to see something like this, the break out of the structure, retesting, and then that continuation up. Again, you can go back in a bunch of data, and you can see that this is a high time frame key level within the market, right? So waiting, having that patience, and then kind of just letting the market make its overall move, whether we are going to remain bullish or make a flip bearish off this overall zone. I think waiting, seeing how price reacts to this zone, if we can break above, adding that confluence, that one, respected that higher time frame 1-hour fib on that perfect pullback for that overall continuation up. The other confluence being we didn't fully print this whole bearish move back down to this overall support down here. And then, again, kind of waiting to see if price can have the volume to break back above, retest, and then get that overall continuation to our target that we ended up looking for in today's trade. Again, not complicated, not overly complicated at all, right? Looking for that clean break, retest, and seeing how price reacts to this overall zone. Are we going to retest it to the bottom side, kind of have that bearish push, retest again, and catch this overall move to the downside? Or are we going to break above, show we have a little bullish intention off that retest, catch that next retest for that overall continuation up? Both ideas, I think, have a lot of previous market structure to back them up. We got high time frame data previously, and then kind of correlating in with our lower time frame, right, current data, as well as our 1-hour and 4-hour data we currently have as well. So both these moves I like a lot, and we'll kind of see what price ends up doing heading into tonight's London session and going into the AM sessions. Nothing complicated here, guys. Let's see if we can't catch a nice runner going into tomorrow's session.